We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I'll show how you can download all Apple Music. So if you would like to cache all your Apple Music library, unfortunately Apple did not come up deliberately, I think, with a comprehensive and convenient way to do that. But there is a little workaround I'll show you today. So first, you will need to launch your iPhone settings, then find and enter the the music category here. Now enable the sync library toggle, and then automatic downloads toggle as well. And now wait anywhere between few hours to 24 hours, so to the day, and all your Apple Music library will be automatically downloaded and cached, so you can access all your library even once you have no internet connection. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.